Today we want to generate paired sample t-test using R Studio. For this, what we need to do is the following. So first, let's load the package tidyverse. In my case, it's already loaded, so I don't really need to reload that again. Then we need to generate two vectors. One is called payment1, for instance, and the other is called payment2. Basically, payment one and payment two. Payment two is actually based upon payment one. We can see that for every one of them, we have 100 observations. Let's do this. So this would be payment one, this would be payment two, and then I'm going to wrap those two vectors into a single data frame using the data frame command. So this is what we have. Now we want to generate a quick statistical analysis for the measures of those data. We want to do that with the package psych and with the command describe. So this is how it's done. We can see we have two variables, payment one and payment two. We can see each one of them is consisted of 100 rows. We can see the means and standard deviations and median and so on and so forth. We also have pretty much a lot of information apart from that. Now we want to generate a visual image of these two variables. So we're going to click on the ggplot command and we will generate this scatterplot. We can see that the variables are very highly correlated. We're not going to test it, but practically it seems like the correlation is 1 or very close to 1, to positive 1. Now we're going to run the t-test actually. So for the t-test, we have X for payment 1, Y for payment 2, and a paired indications stating that paired equals true. So once this is done, we can see that the difference between the two vectors is negative 4.74. We can see that the t value is negative 31.901. The degrees of freedom is 99, and the p-value is basically the minimum possible. So that means that the result between those two, the difference between those two variables is extremely significant, is completely significant. We can also see the 95% confidence and so on and so forth. But effectively, this is how that needs to be done.